This is where the new golden egg is in our go. So first we're gonna come in Pigland. And come on. Over here. And here we come back over here. Then you jump down over there. Or you go down this way, but I like going this way. And now come over. And you should make it here. Then you come back up. And you come over here. And then you wanna come up here, down here. That should be like right here. If this helped, make sure to leave like and subscribe and comment. It helped. So, yeah.